Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best chicken nugget costume is probably one of the most hilariously delicious ways to make a statement at your next party, Halloween, or any event where you want to stand out and bring a smile to everyone's face, offering a unique blend of comfort and comedic flair that's sure to be a conversation starter and a memorable addition to your costume collection, ensuring you're the tastiest looking person in the room. Number 5. Nicky Big's Novelties Morph Plush Bird Hat. Looking for a fun and hilarious way to stand out? This plush bird hat is perfect for any event or costume party. Get ready to turn heads and bring smiles wherever you go. Designed for men, women, and teens, this novelty headwear is sure to be a hit. Its unique bird theme adds a playful touch to any outfit. Made with soft plush material, it's comfortable to wear for extended periods. The vibrant design makes it an unforgettable accessory. Whether it's a costume party, a themed event, or just for a good laugh, this accessory is a guaranteed conversation starter. It's the ultimate way to express your fun side. From Nicky Big's Novelties, you can expect quality and creativity. This bird hat is a testament to our commitment to fun and unique accessories. Don't just wear a costume, become the character. This imaginative headwear lets you embrace a playful persona with ease and comfort. What we like. This plush headwear offers a unique and hilarious take on animal costumes. It's perfect for those who want a standout, conversation-starting piece for parties or events. If you're looking for a fun, quirky accessory that's easy to wear, this is a great choice. What people say. The costume is surprisingly durable and has held up well through multiple wears. The design is quite realistic, resembling actual chicken nuggets, which gets a lot of laughs. It's lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods, making it great for parties or events. Number 4. Morph Adult Rooster Chicken Costume Kit. Get ready to strut your stuff with this fun and vibrant rooster costume kit. Perfect for parties, Halloween, or just a good laugh. This all-in-one accessory set includes everything you need to transform into a magnificent rooster. It's designed for comfort and a striking look. Crafted with attention to detail, this costume is made to last. You can be sure it will stand out and withstand all your barnyard adventures. Putting on this costume is a breeze. Spend less time getting ready and more time clucking around and having fun. Whether it's a costume party, a theatrical performance, or a festive event, this rooster costume is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Get ready for some serious attention. What we like. Get ready to strut your stuff with this complete rooster costume kit. It provides all the essential accessories for a convincing chicken look. If you need a quick and easy way to transform into a rooster for Halloween or a themed party, this set is ideal. What people say. The costume is made of faux material and is lightweight. It fits well and is comfortable to wear for extended periods. The design is realistic and looks like actual chicken nuggets. Number 3. Nicky Big's Novelties French Fries Hat. Introducing the ultimate novelty hat that's sure to turn heads. It's a fun and quirky accessory for any occasion. This unique hat is designed to look like a delicious serving of French fries. It's perfect for adding a playful touch to your outfit. Whether it's a costume party, Halloween, or just a fun get-together, this hat is a guaranteed conversation starter. It's a silly hat for adults who love to have a good time. Embrace your love for food with this eye-catching accessory. It's a fantastic way to express your personality and sense of humor. Looking for that perfect finishing touch to your costume? This French fries hat is the ideal choice. It's funny, it's bold, and it's unforgettable. From Nicky Big's Novelties, you know you're getting a quality, fun product. This hat is made for smiles and laughter. What we like. Add a dash of delicious fun to your outfit with this novelty French fries hat. It's a guaranteed way to bring smiles and laughter wherever you go. If you love unique food-themed apparel and want a lighthearted costume accessory, this is the one for you. What people say. The costume is surprisingly durable and held up well through multiple wears. The design is quite realistic, making it a fun and attention-grabbing outfit. It's lightweight and comfortable to wear for extended periods, which is great for parties or events. Number 2. Dress Up America Baby Rooster Costume. Get ready for some farmyard fun with this adorable baby rooster costume. It's perfect for your little one's first Halloween or any dress-up occasion. Crafted for comfort, this costume is made with soft, high-quality materials. Your baby can move and play freely while looking incredibly cute. Designed with easy dressing in mind, this costume is simple to put on and take off. It makes for a hassle-free experience for both parents and baby. Whether it's for trick-or-treating, a costume party, or just imaginative play, this chicken costume is a fantastic choice. It's sure to bring smiles all around. This charming costume is designed for both baby girls and boys. It's a delightful way to let your little chick express their playful side. Invest in a durable and adorable costume that will be cherished. It's a wonderful addition to your baby's dress-up collection. What we like. Dress your little one in the most adorable way possible with this baby rooster costume. Designed for infants, it's comfortable and cute for Halloween or photo shoots. If you're a parent looking for an incredibly sweet and easy-to-wear costume for your baby, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The costume is made of foam and is lightweight, making it comfortable to wear for extended periods. The design is realistic and resembles actual chicken nuggets, which is great for themed parties or Halloween. It comes with a headpiece that completes the look and is easy to put on and take off. Number 1. Nug Life Chicken Nugget T-shirt. Are you a true chicken nugget enthusiast? Then this t-shirt is made for you. Show your love for your favorite snack in style. Embrace the Nug Life with this unique and fun t-shirt. It's the perfect way to express your passion for delicious chicken nuggets. This t-shirt isn't just about the love for nuggets, it's also beautifully designed. You'll look great wearing it anywhere you go. Crafted for comfort and style, this tee is a must-have for any nugget aficionado. It's soft, durable, and makes a statement. Looking for a gift for a nugget lover? This t-shirt is the ideal present. It's thoughtful, fun, and sure to be appreciated. What we like. Show off your love for a classic snack with this Nug Life t-shirt. It's a comfortable and casual way to express your passion for chicken nuggets. If you're a true nugget enthusiast looking for everyday wear that celebrates your favorite food, this tee is a must-have. What people say. The costume is made of a soft, foam-like material that is comfortable to wear. It fits well on most adults and stays in place during wear. The design is realistic and resembles actual chicken nuggets, making it a fun and eye-catching costume. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.